Some leaders among the agitating farmers are observing hunger strike today to press for their demand to repeal the 3 new contentious farm laws. Today is the 19th day of the farmers' stir. Farmers have also called for demonstrations across the country today. Farmer unions too have called for protests at all district headquarters to press for their demand to repeal the new farm laws. Farmer leader Gurnam Singh Chaduni said the leaders will observe the hunger strike at their respective places between 8 am and 5 pm today. Also, dharnas will be staged at all district headquarters across the country. The protest will go on as usual, he told reporters on Monday while addressing a press conference at the Sindhu border. In another related development, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced to observe fast on the day to show solidarity with protesting farmers. He has appealed to the central government to shun ego and scrap the legislation. This is the second nationwide protest by farmers in less than a week. Early on December 8th, farmers blocked highways and stopped trains as part of countrywide shutdown call. Despite several rounds of talks with government, farmers have said the protests will continue till the new farm laws are repealed. The government has hinted that it will not repeal the laws but agreed to make changes. The government maintains that the laws are in the interest of farmers. Meanwhile, more protesters headed for Delhi with a large group blocking the key Delhi-Jaipur National Highway when it was stopped by police on Haryana-Rajasthan border. Early on Sunday, more farmers from Punjab and other states arrived near the Singhu and Tikki borders to join the sit-in, which has been continuing since November 26th. Union Minister Kailash Chowdhury said the government will soon decide a date for the next meeting and expressed confidence that the issues will be resolved this time. 5 rounds of talks have failed to end the deadlock and the 6th was cancelled on December 9th. While the farmers have warned of intensifying the stir in coming days, several union ministers have repeatedly alleged that the farmers' protests have been hijacked by Maoists, leftists, anti-national elements, a charge denied by the union leaders spearheading the agitation. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and Union Minister Som Prakash, accompanied by BJP leaders from Punjab, met Home Minister Amit Shah. Tomar hit out at the opposition parties, accusing them of running propaganda against the new farm laws and asserted that these laws may cause difficulty for some in short term but will be beneficial to farmers in the long run. Manmohan Singh Ji, former Prime Minister, tried many times, but he could not do that. Today, when it is implemented, propaganda is being spread, he said. News Desk, Kaumudi English.